Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating a controlled workspace, clean, flat, and well lit. Heat the sticker gently for 10 to 20 seconds with a hairdryer or low heat gun to soften the adhesive. This reduces tearing and residue. Once heat has softened the glue, slide a plastic pick or fingernail under an edge and lift slowly at a low angle. Move deliberately to avoid stretching the label. Make sure to reheat if resistance increases so the adhesive releases rather than rips the surface. Once you have an edge lifted, peel the sticker back slowly at roughly a 30 degrees angle. This direction minimizes adhesive transfer. If the sticker tears, reheat and continue from the new edge instead of forcing it. After the label is off, dampen a lint-free cloth with isopropyl alcohol and wipe remaining tack gently. This dissolves residue without harming most plastics or metals. For stubborn patches, use a plastic scraper or a commercial adhesive remover. Testing a small area, you finish by wiping the area with a dry, lint-free cloth and allowing it to air dry completely before reassembly. This prevents trapping solvent beneath parts. Make sure not to use acetone on painted or plastic surfaces because it can damage coatings. Always test on an inconspicuous spot. If the label refuses to lift, reapply heat, and once warm, work a length of dental floss under the edge in a sawing motion to separate adhesive from substrate. That technique preserves surfaces when picks won't reach.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.